Guys, we have a fucking max bet. Max bet, you guys. Max bet. Look at that. Oh, there it is. Max bet, 10 Sandino. Come on, let's make it happen. Ooh, that's gonna be great, I think. That's $75 a line. I think that's over 500 bucks. That's 500. There you go. That works for me. Come on, baby. Make it count again. All right. Come on, baby. Make it count. Ooh. Do it, baby. Do it. Okay, that's gonna pop. Has to. No? Okay. All right, here we go. Here we go, baby. Here we go. Come on, baby. Make it count. Okay, this is the last game, you guys. Last game. Make it count, baby. And we get a re-trigger. You can't get a re-trigger on the games. Here we go. Nothing. Wow. That's not bad, though.